This video is going to show you how to buy shares with Trading 212 Invest. Hello, I'm Peter Martin with Trading 212, and in this Basics of Investing video, we're going to look at how to use Trading 212's web app to navigate to a particular company and then to invest some money in it. And the example we're going to look at is just a low value investment worth under £120. And that's to illustrate the point that you don't have to be rich to access the stock market with Trading 212. Trading 212 makes the stock market available to just about everyone, even if you've only got a small amount of investment capital available. But let's take a look at this example now. So here we are in the Trading 212 Invest web app. As you can see, I'm in practice mode here. Practice mode is really useful because it allows you to try out how things work without committing real money. It's just using virtual funds. And that allows you to get comfortable with how the web app or the mobile app works and with what you're doing before you move on to invest with real money. So what we're going to have a look at is simply how to first find a share and then how to invest in it. So let's just say that you're interested in investing in EasyJet. So let's search for that share. So we just need to click on this magnifying glass icon. When we click on that, we come up with the instrument search. Now, we could click on stocks, and then here's a list of all the stocks that are available to you. And you can just scroll down until you found the stock in question. But it's probably a bit easier just to type in the name here. So I'll do that. And here pops up EasyJet. Now let's say that I want to add this to my price list. So I've got a list called favorites. This is a watch list. It just makes it easier to see the shares that you're interested in. So I'll click plus and add that to my favorites list. And we've got the name of the full name of the stock and the exchange that it trades on. So it's saying London Stock Exchange. A stock exchange is just a kind of marketplace where buyers and sellers can make their transactions. So let's now click on open chart, and just opening a chart allows you to see how the share price has been performing. This is on a 5-minute view. It's quite a short-term chart. You can select whichever time frame suits you best. If we click on daily, then this allows us to go back over quite a long time frame and see how it's doing. Now let's say that we've decided we do want to buy some shares in EasyJet. So what we can do is, if I click on this arrow here, it opens up my favorites watch list, and we can see that EasyJet has been added to that. Here's the sell price and here's the buy price. So these are the best buy and sell prices that are available. And it is priced, EasyJet is priced in pounds and pence. So this is actually the price in pence that it's showing. If we click on this instrument details button here, then we get a lot more information about EasyJet. We can see the change and the high and the low, changes over different periods of time. And we can see that trading on the London Stock Exchange, the currency that this share is denominated in is in pounds and pence. So let's just close that back down again now. So the simplest way to do a transaction, we just put in our trade size here. This is number of shares. So let's say I just want to do a relatively small trade, put in 10 shares. If I was buying 10 shares at £11.96, it would mean that it would cost me £119.60 to buy that share. It would be 10 shares, each one costing me £11.95 now pence. £11.95, 10 times £11.95 gives us £119.50. And if we wanted to do this transaction, then we would just click on buy here to do the transaction. Another way to do it is by right-clicking here and selecting open detailed trade books. It gives you a few more bits and pieces. Once again, we could just put in our trade size here by quantity, 10 shares, and we've got buy selected, and then we would click confirm buy there. If we try to sell, it's probably going to tell me that I can't because I don't own any. So to sell this equity, you need to buy it first. So I'm going to click confirm buy. There it goes. We get order placed, order executed messages in the top right hand side of the screen. I'm just going to close this bit down. And we can see at the bottom of the screen, there is a confirmation of my open position. I've got EasyJet, I have 10 shares in it, I bought it. I bought at 11.94 and a half pence. Now, if I wanted to sell my holding in EasyJet, I could just click this cross and that would close the position. Or we could open up another ticket and enter quantity 10 here, and we would just click on sell and that would close my position. But I don't want to close the position at the moment because I'm happy to hold on to it. So that was an example of buying shares using the web app. Don't forget though, you can download for free native mobile apps for iOS and Android, and you'll find links to those in the video description below. Another important point to bear in mind is that when you buy shares with Trading 212, you pay 0 commission. Now, had you done a similar transaction to the one we looked at in the example through a different broker where they charge even only a small fixed commission per transaction, let's say a typical amount might be £6 per side. If you're only dealing in a small transactional size like £120, that's going to represent quite a significant portion of your equity value going away in fees to the broker. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button and give us a like. Or why not share your thoughts with us in the comments section? We do read each one. Now, we add fresh content to YouTube weekly. If you click on the subscribe button and then select the alarm bell icon, you'll get a notification for every new video. That's all for now from me, Peter Martin, and Trading 212. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.